Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Porsche Panamera. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Porsche has less than 93,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.